Hey, Sydney.
Hey.
You want to fight some cicada?
Yeah, I want to fight some cicada.
Why'd you say it like that?
'Cause I'm a little scared.
You don't need to be scared.
Are you gonna protect me?
No.
Let's go see the cicadas.
Come with me to see the cicada. What are you doing over there?
I can't find them. I do see.
You want to see? That was good. No, it's raining. Watch out.
It's gonna.
Stomp on it.
Do you want to see how to fight the cicada?
It's gonna attack me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to see how to fight the cicada?
Yeah? One's on your back.
Oh no, it's attacking me.
No!
Oh!
Fight it, Sydney, fight it.
You start beating me up. Oh no!
Not the cicada.
Thankfully, soon.
Well, good job. We beat the cicadas.